Morning everyone, thanks for stopping over. If it's your first time, thank you so much. Hope you enjoy today. Today I'm opening a new subscription box. You gonna join me for that? I do hope so. Right, shall we hit the intro first? And I'll see you on the other side. Excited, are you ready for this? I love saying this bit. Ready? Ready, let's go. So for all of you that watched my Vlogmas, and was it day 22, 23, when I opened my new subscription box for Blake, and it was his Christmas present, and it wasn't my subscription box. I've got it now, it's here. We're all right. So, this is a box. Now, I did open it when it came, purely because I wasn't sure if it was the subscription box or not, and I've been telling them it hasn't arrived, and they told me it can take so many days, and I wasn't used to waiting that long, but they are right, it has come, and it's called Pop in a Box. Now, Pop in a Box is literally that. It's a Funko Pop subscription. What I like about this subscription is the fact that it's something I want. Sounds very simplified. Let me show you on my phone. So, I don't know how long this subscription's been going for. My wonderful friend Vicky over at Vixxen Lost in Disney, I saw her do this and I thought, what a fantastic idea. And they do subscriptions, and you can have, I think it's 1, 2, 3, 6 or 12 pops, something like that, every month, and they're a mystery. But what you do first of all is you go onto the website, and they do have this company, it is over in America as well, and I am not I'm not affiliated, I get nothing for free, I've bought this, so this is just me showing you. So on there you've got all your different pops, and what you do is there's a little, can you see there, there's like a little thumbs up here, little thing there, so if you click on that, I'm trying to do it. Oh yeah, okay, and it then brings up, can you see that drop down menu? And you can click on this, I want this, I don't want this, and add to my collection. So you can actually go on there and put all of your Funko Pops collection you've got, so you won't get any duplicates. But what I then did was I went through all the Disney ones, and all the Disney ones I wanted. So for example, this one, if you can see, there's a little green tick there because I would like Ursula as a pop in the box. And that's what I did, was I went through and I just ticked all the ones that I wanted. Now I know Vicky has gone through and she's clicked everyone she didn't want, but I thought, can't be bothered to do that. That sounds like a lot of time to me. So I've just ticked the ones that I do want, hoping that that's what they're going to send me. So if they don't, I know to go in and do it. And what I like about this is you saw the subscribe and save. Because I'm now a member of this site, for any of the Funkos I order, I get 10% discount. I like me a bit of discount, don't you? So I like that. So the subscription I chose and decided on was 2. So we get 2 Funkos a month as a mystery in my box. And I can't remember what these 2 are. I'm so sorry. I've got another box sitting in the corner. I haven't got a clue what those are. It actually has Pop in the Box on the outside. This one didn't. So all I can think of is when they sent this box, they'd run out of the normal boxes, so I had to open it. So shall we have a look what they sent me? So it's a mystery, so it's nice, isn't it? It's a bit like when you do the mystery boxes, you're customising it and telling them what you want. So you're getting what you want, but you don't know what's coming. So that's a bit like this. So I like this. So the first one, look at this. I was so thrilled. I've got the Pongo and Perdita Dalmatians, and it's a 2-pack. Isn't that fabulous? Shall we have a closer look? And I'm not a girl that keeps them in their packages. I'm so sorry, Dana. She'll be screaming, Karen, put them back. Right, let's have a look. So, so there you go. So there's Pongo. Look at him. And his head swivels and his little tail. Isn't he lovely? And then Perdita. Whoop, and I just dropped Pongo on the floor and bashed his head. I'm lethal, aren't I? And then Perdita. Oh, look at her. She moves her head as well. I love the way that because you can move them and position them as you want them, can't you? And a little tail. Aren't they beautiful? I'm going to pick Pongo up. So there you have. So those are the two. Aren't those fantastic? So yeah, so I love those. So me and Blake, no doubt, will be fighting over them. He said, Mom, can I have the ones that I ticked that I said I wanted? Because I let him go through as well. But then what I did was I went back through and I took all the Harry Potter ones off. Because it's a Disney subscription, is now I wanted Disney ones. I said, yes, son, of course you can. Right, and then he collects that many of these. Dana, I think he'll give you a run for your money on on these. And oh, I thought it was someone else. I'd forgotten. I've got another Phil. I've got myself 2 Phils. So Phil from Hercules. And I haven't chose all the Hercules figures, but I just thought, Phil, he's a bit different, isn't he? And I like things that are a bit different. Right, so here's Phil with his little hair and his goatee and his horns. Isn't he cool? Look at the little tail. Is he part ox? I think he might be. Can't remember. He's got his little arm out. I love those. So yeah, so this is a subscription I've got coming every month, and I've got 2 Funkos. So join me every month. Let's see which ones we get. Yeah, I really like this. I like the mystery, and I like the fact that when Blake says, Mum, can I have this Funko? I can go, no, Blake, because we might have one in our subscription. I'm evil, aren't I? You got to be in this day and age. Anyway, thanks so much. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe. And if you haven't already, go over and watch my giveaway video and enter. It's really simple. All you need to do is subscribe, and then at the bottom of the video just put a comment saying subscribed. That's all it is. All the rules are down there as well. But yeah, and it's open internationally, so anyone can win. So good luck. Don't forget to do that, and I'll see you really soon. Shall I see you in Paris? Shall we have a date in Paris? I'll see you in Paris on Sunday, shall I? Take care, everyone. Bye for now. Bye.